Today, a delegation led by former Chief Secretary of Karnataka, Shri Ravindra sir, veteran environmentalist and former Secretary, Department of Environment and Ecology, a name synonymous with environment protection in Karnataka, Shri Lalbagh sir, former IPS officer, Commissioner of the City, Police, Bhaskar Rao sir, Professor Ashish Verma, Professor in IASC Transportation Lab, Mr. Satya, Transportation Expert, Mr. Devare, RTI Expert, Mr. Vinod, Walkers Association President from Lalbagh, Sankey Tank Walkers Association President Jai Kumar, many others met with the Honorable Governor today, and we presented him a memorandum with one specific request. The state government over the last week has passed an amendment to the Karnataka Parks Preservation Act permitting diversion of 5% of park land for so-called infrastructure projects. This is specifically done to facilitate the tunnel road project in Bengaluru and is aimed to acquire permanently close to 6 acres of land in Lalbagh. Bengaluru is known as a garden city in India. Unfortunately, the state government, which is constitutionally bound to protect and preserve the parks and greenlands, is in fact launched a war against the green spaces, lung spaces in the city. The tunnel road is not going to solve the traffic in the city. It is only going to increase the number of private vehicles in Bangalore. It is a real estate project which will only help the ruling party with kickbacks. Mr. Yellappa Reddy today in great anguish asked the Chief Minister to please state the sum that he expects to receive as kickback from this project. And the people of Karnataka and people of Bengaluru are ready to finance, crowdfund this kickback with a request that you please take this money but spare us our Lalbagh, spare us our Cubbon Park and spare the green parks in the city. On the Sunday of this month, that is 30th August, 7:30 in the morning, there will be a walk inside Lalbagh that will be led by Shri Yellappa Reddy sir, joined by hundreds of citizens to make this demand from the government to drop this unscientific, unconstitutional project. This project, like this initiative, like all of you are seeing, is today being led by such eminent senior people in their 80s, people who have still come forward to fight for Bengaluru. I request every young citizen in Bengaluru watching this to please join us on the 30th of August, 7:30 in the morning in Lalbagh to raise your voice to protect Lalbagh, Cubbon Park and every single green space in the city. This is a fight that is beyond any political party. This is a fight led by eminent citizens. This is a fight to protect the green spaces and the environment for the next generation.